Welcome. Today we will talk about two of the most important HTML tags used in every website, the anchor tag and the image tag. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand how websites connect pages together and how images appear on the web. The anchor tag creates links. Links allow users to move from one page to another, open external websites, download files, or jump to sections within the same page. Here we have a basic anchor tag. The href attribute tells the browser where the link should go, in this case, Google. The text between the opening and closing tag is what users actually click. If you add the attribute target equals _blank, it makes the link open in a new tab. This is commonly used when linking to external websites. When linking one page to another inside your project, you need the file name. For example, linking the index, HTML to the about, HTML. External links require the full URL, including HTTPS. The image tag is used to display images on a web page. Unlike most HTML tags, the image tag does not have a closing tag. The src attribute indicates the browser where the image is located. The alt attribute is for alternative text, which means that it will be shown if the image fails to load. It also improves accessibility by helping screen readers describe the image to users. Here's a nice trick. If you place an image inside an anchor tag, the image becomes clickable. Now, when users click the image, they are redirected to another page, in this case, Google. Some common mistakes beginners make are forgetting the href attribute, leaving out the alt attribute, and using incorrect file paths. Now you understand how links and images work in HTML. These two tags form the foundation of almost every website on the internet. If you liked this video, please subscribe and turn on notifications.